Today I'll be walking you through on how to check your Mason Consolidated Schools email account. First, open any modern browser such as Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox and navigate to our website eriemason.k12.mi.us. Then, depending upon what building I'm enrolled in, I'm going to click on that and then Home. For example, high school and home. If I scroll down, I'm going to go until I find the section that says Email Login, and then click on the picture. This is going to take me to the login page. From here, I'm going to enter my email. For example, first name, last name at eriemason.k12.mi.us. If my name was John Doe, it would be johndoe@eriemason.k12.mi.us. And then click Next. Then I'm going to enter my password. This is the same password you use to sign into Mason's wireless network, Google Classroom, or any of the computers available for use throughout the school. If you do not remember your password, please contact the secretary, who will work with tech support in getting that password reset. We'll need some verification to ensure we're just not giving your password out to whomever calls. Once I've entered my password, I'm going to click on Sign In. It's going to ask me if I want to stay signed in. Because I might have other people using this computer, I'm going to say no. From here, this takes me to the Office 365 app launcher. Outlook is where your email is at. So I'm going to click on that icon. This is going to take me directly into my inbox. You have your focused inbox or your other. And here I can see I have an invitation to a Google Classroom, so I'm going to click on that. And I have the ability to click on the Join button to go directly to my class. Once I've clicked on the Join button, it's going to take me into Google Classroom. But one thing I noticed here is I'm still signed in with my personal Gmail account. If you click that down arrow, it's going to allow you to sign into another account. So I'm going to click on Use Another Account. From here, I can enter my email address again. First name, last name at eriemason.k12.mi.us and click Next. It's going to make sure that I've entered the correct information. Once I've confirmed that's my username, I'm going to click Continue. And now I'm in my Google Classroom. To sign out, click on the icon in the upper right-hand corner and just click Sign Out. You can also go back to your email and do the same thing. Now I can close all my browser windows. Thanks for watching.